Hello, my paddies. Hello, welcome back. Yeah. Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ade Nix on the beat. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this monochromatic makeup tutorial. I just feel like as a dark skin girl I want to play with more colors, and I decided to try this monochromatic theme of using only orange colors on my face. So if you guys would like to see how I achieved my makeup, then keep on watching. Orange is the monochromatized color that we're going to be using today. Let me show you guys how to achieve this simple eyeshadow. Simple, easy, perfect for the summer. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to prime your eyelid with a color that is lighter than your shade. As you can see, I am very dark, but the color that I'm using for my lid is, I can't even bleach myself to this color. So the first eyeshadow that would be gracing my eyelid today is this orange shade right here from my eyes on the 80s palette. Apply this to my crease area. This is how I literally take these colors, because I need a lot of the pigments and they're always hiding, and I don't like it. Okay, so for the blendation of the creation color that I just added to my lidation, I would be applying this light orangey shade right here. This one, it was going to blur out the orangeation that I added to the creation of my lidation of my eyelation. I've managed to blend that in a little bit. I'm going into this Gianni USA lip color thing. I'm choosing this orange color. I'll be applying that on the lid area of my eye. For the lidation, I'll be applying this orange shimmery shade right here. Okay, good, we're looking a bit more presentable. But in order to be more presentable to the public and to make this eye look like this eye, I'll be adding this orangey reddy shade right here to intensify the orangeation and the creation of the eyelation. I'll be focusing this at the end of the eyelid, and I'll be dragging it a little bit towards the crease area. The next color that I'll be applying is not orange. I know, sorry, but it's gonna make the orange a bit more orangish. I'm using this bright yellow shade right here, applying that onto the lid, the center of the lid area, to pop the color a bit more. It's time for me to wear my eyeliner. I'm back with the finished eye look. What do you guys think? Ooh, I haven't done this side, so let's get into it. The first thing that I'm going to do is to put a lighter concealer, the same concealer I used as the base of the top eye. I'll be using that as the base on the bottom eye. Time for me to go in with this same orange shade. I'll be applying that everywhere at the bottom of my eye. Okay, so now that we have that did, it's time for me to go in with that orangey red shade, which is this one right here. I'll be applying that at this side of the bottom eyelash line. Of the bottom of my eye, this side, the end or the front, whichever. I'll be applying this yellow shade to the front part of the bottom eye. Okay guys, so I'm going to retry using this Gioni orange lipstick in LLG 40. The reason why I'm retrying it is I want to give it one last try. But in order to give it one last try, I'll be applying concealer to my lips. Okay, now that we're looking extremely weird, I'll be setting that with my loose finishing powder. So now that we have a very neutral base, I'll be using this orange color. Let me see what it looks like. God did not send me to this world to be looking like this. He honestly did not. I know. I need to show you why I can't. Like, can you see how it's cracking? I really cannot look like this. Like, I'm using the Zaron matte lip stain in the shade Eve. It's a beautiful pinky red shade. Okay, so obviously this is not part of the monochromatic series. We have to make sure that the orange stands out of the lips. I'll be adding this orange shimmery shade from the Gioni lipstick set. On top of the lipstick, I'll be applying this orange shimmery shade. Ooh, we got the orange. We got the orange. I kind of feel like this lipstick is nice, but it's a bit too much for the eyes. What do you guys think? But it is monochromatic makeup, everything goes, so I guess we'd have to manage this. I'm going in with my black liquid liner and I'll be applying that to this pimple scar that I have right here. Hi you guys. Okay doke, so this is the finished look. Where do you think I can wear this kind of look to? Because I just feel so colorful. Like, even if I want to wear the eyes, I won't wear the lips. If I want to wear the lips, I won't wear the eyes. So it's like I can't wear them together to go out, but I can wear them together on camera. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this love with your friends, your families, your enemies, and everybody in this world. Adios, amigos. Catch you later. Peace.